Okay, so it says to solve the inequality. So if my pen works, I'll do 2 of these, you can do another one or whatever. So x is less than 3. Okay, and then I'll do this one, divide by -3, divide by -3. So x, switch the sign because we divided by a negative, is -5/3. Is less than -5/3. Answer. You guys can do the other ones if you would like. Okay, so we are finally in lesson 4.4, which means we are done with chapter 4. What the heck already? That is crazy. I can't believe it, but I'm super proud of you, and you guys are awesome because we're already here and we're moving so fastly. So, solving two-step equations, put that at the top of your page. Okay, the essential question. How can you use an inequality to describe the dimensions of a figure? Okay, so moving on, they say solve 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 11 and then graph it. So I'm going to add 4. Okay, those don't look like plus signs, but that gets rid of it. This is going to turn into a 15 is greater than or equal, is less than or equal to 5x. Then we divide by 5, divide by 5. X is greater than or equal to 15. So, taking our number line here, we have a 0, and then we have 15, and fill in the circle because x is greater than or equal to, so it can be 15, and then this arrow is pointing this way, so our arrow needs to go this way. Okay. Solve the inequality and graph the solution. So I'm going to do 2 of these, and then please do the other one. So plus 7, we have 6y is greater than 12. That gets rid of it there. And then we divide by 6, we get that y is greater than 2. And then I'll do number 3. So subtract 8, that gets rid of it. So we have w over -4 is greater than 1. Then I'm going to multiply by -4 to get rid of it. Then I have to do it over here. So then I get w, and then switch signs because I multiplied by a negative, and then so that is going to be -4. Then I'm going to draw my number lines. Okay. And then so it says y is greater than 2, so we have 2, an open circle, and then it goes this way. Okay, and then this one says w is less than -4, so we have -4 here, open circle, and it goes this way. Everyone good? Please do number 2. Which graph represents the solution of this? So I'm just going to solve this and then we can figure it out. Okay. So we have -7 times x plus 3 is less than or equal to 28. I'm going to divide by that -7 just to get rid of it right away. And then we have x plus 3. Switch the signs, so we divided by a negative, and then it's going to be -4. -3, x is greater than or equal to -7. So since x is greater than, we know that it's going to go this way, so these are irrelevant. And it's a -7, so this is -7, so B is our right answer. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 of these, and please do the other one. So one way, I'm just going to divide through, and then I'm going to actually distribute, just to show you that you could do both. Okay, so for the first one, I'm just going to multiply through. So whoop-de-whoop, we have 2k plus -10 is less than 6. So plus 10, we have 2k, and then is less than 16, and then divide by 2, k is less than 8. Okay, and then I'll do 5, and please do 6. So I'm going to divide by 14 because I'm going to do it this way just to get rid of it divide by 4 just to get rid of it right away so I don't have to distribute it through. So I have n minus 10, and then switch the signs because I'm dividing by a negative 4, and then so that's going to be a negative 8 plus 10 plus 10. Our n is greater than 2. And then I will graph these. 0, 0. Okay, so I have 2 here, and n is greater than, but not equal to, and then I have 8, and k is less than. Okay. Look, we're done with chapter 4. That's awesome. I'm so proud of you guys, and you should be proud of yourselves too, because we have made it so far and you guys are doing excellent, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.